Hello all together, hello guys. I would like to present a new Hella machine which will be presented on the next EMO trade show. This machine behind me is a new generation of the F series machines. This is the top seller model that we sell since several years already in the previous generation, and now we will have bring this product to the next level. You see the machine behind me. This is a machine equipped with a pallet changer and has a pallet in the size 630 x 630 millimeters. We will have in this machine a very dynamic swiveling head. Available for this machine, we will have the best technical data. We can implement additional technologies in this machine, and at the end we can make this machine automated very easily, bringing a round storage or linear storage or even robot automation. We have the automation ready option in this machine available. Gentlemen and ladies, please visit our booth. We will be on the in the hall 12 on the booth C68. Please visit and enjoy this new product, Generation 4.